Hello, friends. I'm about to chop my hair off. Say goodbye.
Oh, see those nice layers?
Mm-hmm.
Is this your part? Or
No, it's all my part.
okay, well I'm just gonna. Oh, your hair is like purple gray. Are we
A
videoing?
little bit. Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
You want to go to here?
If you're gonna go short, go short.
No, I can't.
No.
Maybe a little bit shorter
No.
than that.
Okay, let's.
How
I'm
do
gonna
your collarbones?
start slow. No, that's too short. She's not gonna like that.
Yeah, I'd probably freak out.
Look at your mama getting her hair cut.
Sing or on the station or in the chair.
Alice, smile, smile, say hi, mama.
Okay, so we have the length. And now we're gonna relayer it. I'm so excited. Because my hair was so heavy and it was so heavy. I'm so excited. Good job, Mom. Already.
Thanks.
And look at my baby being good for Aunt Han. Say, hey, Atlas. Hey, Atlas. Hey. You're such a dork. Yay! So here's the after. I love it. I love it. And Lawrence doesn't hate it, so that makes me happy. I just stopped. I did a few other things after I left Mom's, and then I went to Winn-Dixie and I got him some little swim diapers because we are going swimming tonight. It's not gonna be like dark, but it's gonna be not as hot. But we're gonna take the boys to the pool. So I wanted to get some actual swim diapers because last time we went, he was just in a regular diaper and then some swim shorts. And I don't think I'm supposed to do that. So I got him some swim diapers, but they're gonna be freaking huge because nobody has the extra smalls. You have to get them online. So I got the smalls and they're like 15 pounds, 15 to 20 something pounds. But I mean, it's okay. I'm still gonna put his little shorts over it again. And oh yeah, I stopped to get myself food and he was hungry. So I'm giving him a bottle so he won't scream the whole way home. But yeah, I love my hair. I feel so much better about myself because it was hot and nasty. So I think he is done and we will go home and wait for the boys to get home so we can go swim. Okay, I don't know what this is, but it is freaking huge. It looks like an iguana. Like, I don't want it to run away so you can actually see it, but oh my god, it's freaking huge! I'm legit scared it's gonna like chase me. That's at least a foot long. At least. Oh my god. Ah! 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 It's looking at me. OMG. What if it chases me? I'm gonna drive the car back up closer to it so I can get closer. I'm just so scared it's gonna chase me. Oh my god. What are... Oh. It's freaking me out. He is staring at me. I don't understand what's going on right now. Who are you and why are you here? Are you a pet? Oh my god, that's so weird. Super creepy. I hope he's not hurt. Oh no, I am so scared though. Like, I want to make him move so he doesn't get run over. He's so big. Because I can't tell like if his back legs are hurt or not. And he doesn't look squished. Oh my lord. This is so weird. Ah! Where'd he go? Oh geez, where'd he go? Oh no, now I don't know if he's under the car. Oh my lord. Where did he go? Oh, I'm so nervous. Please don't get me. Because I definitely do not see him anymore. Crap. Where is he? Why are you under my car? Go away! Go away! So, we can't go swimming because it's 5:30 and they close at 6. I'm sad. So we're gonna go early in the morning. They open at 8. But I was gonna show you the chickens real quick. They are just like legit. I'm not scared of them, like terrified, but I'm not going to like pet them or pick them up like the boys do. But they're good chickens and they give us lots of eggs. And I can't. The white one is Matilda from Angry Birds, and then one of the brown ones is Charlotte, but I don't know who the other one is. But anyways, that was our little fun for the day. And we got all the cousins over right now, so the kids are playing and the baby's resting, and I probably am gonna have to figure out something to cook. But seriously, I feel so much better with my haircut. I feel like a new human. But we get to go swimming tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!